Hey y'all, got a package. I need to open it and show y'all what it is. So let's do it together. So look at this. It's like let me see, it's like a silk bonnet. So she added a silk bonnet to my package and it's like a blue color. This is cute. First of all, wait till my next Zeta little sleepover, little pajama party. I'm definitely putting this on. Okay. Then for the actual product that I ordered, this is from my good sis. Shout out to Cheyenne. She always doing big things, and I try to support, okay, because I love her events and whatever she does. Okay, so I try to support, and especially if I like something, okay. I mean, if I like it, I like it. So, you know. All right, here we go. We open it. Here we go. Ooh, girl, look at this. Look at this. Okay, wait. Let me open it. I know y'all like, what am I looking at? Hold on. Let me show y'all. Okay. So, let me just show y'all my bag. And I'll give you a little background. Okay, so this is a fanny pack. This is my new fanny pack. You got, it says Forever Locked. First of all, again, shout out to my good sis Cheyenne because I knew I wanted locks, but I didn't really want sister locks, like the size. I needed something bigger than that. So I knew what I wanted. I just didn't know it had a name. So when my good sis, okay, shout out my sorority sister, okay, Z5, okay, when she put me on, because she got her hair done first, she got locks. And then she put me on, and what she called them Microlocs. And I said, wait a minute, I think that's what I've been trying to explain all this time. I just didn't know it had a name. There was this new, probably not new, but I didn't know it had all these terms, right? So I said, oh, because I need more convenience than what I was going through with I don't know, the pineapple I was calling it. Okay, my ponytail at the top, the silk press. It was just a lot of work. This I could get with. This is convenient. So we are forever locked. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Okay, because we forever locked in. We forever locked in. Okay. So you got two zippers on the front, right? Wide inside. You see how wide that is? You know, I always gotta do a little video with ashy hands. It's cool though. I ain't gonna put lotion and be putting all over my bag. So you also have a little zipper right here, a little zipper pocket right here, zipper pocket on the inside right here. Okay, the D ring. If you want to hang something from the D ring, you can decorate. I think like take on this D ring, right? Let me on this D ring and hook like a little chain or something from here to like maybe the end zipper so that you can still unzip it and zip it, but you have like a little chain going. I've seen that before, a little decoration. You got a top handle. Okay, you got the top handle. If you know me, I love a good fanny pack, a good bum bag. Like, stop playing. Like, I love a good top handle situation. Top handle is always gonna suck me in, always. Okay, then if you go to the back, first of all, you got the adjustable strap, okay? Cool. Then all go hardware again in the back. You got the zipper. Undo her. You just look in here. See how deep that is. My phone can, if I want to record, I will show y'all, okay? But my phone can definitely fit in here. A little lip gloss. Come on, Ben. I know I got on the wrong color today, okay? But, I had to get y'all this video. That's what I really was trying to do. Get y'all this video. If we locked in, look, wait. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Okay. Shout out to all my girls that be doing it, okay? Y'all be doing it. Y'all really be making businesses. Okay, this is my girl. This is my girl. Y'all really be having business and we be doing it, okay? This is cute. I'm gonna be wearing her. Stop playing. Y'all better stop playing on my people, cause my people be getting it together. They be giving y'all what y'all want. I don't need, you know what? This video is about this bag, but I just want to shout out, okay, my girls, all the girls, okay, all the women in my life that really be doing it, out here doing it. And I see you. I just want you to know I see you, okay? I be seeing y'all, and if I got it, I'm a support. I'm a support if I got it, okay? Down to the body butters, okay? Down to the Shoot, what else? Listen, okay, I can't even think right now, but let me just tell you, my girls be getting me together. The girls be getting me together. Check it out. Forever Locked. Okay, check her out. All right, y'all. Peace out.